Hello, my name is Tinky, and I'm very sorry for the audio quality. This broadcaster is not the best, but it works for me. Let me introduce my program. This program is a cash register standalone. As a standalone, I mean it doesn't require server for the MySQL, and there is no access from the web or LAN. This is my handwork in 3 weeks by alone. By alone, I mean I designed this by myself, I coded it by myself, and I also fixed all the bugs and solved all the mysterious problems by my own. I have no much clue about the cash register since I have never been working at cash, but I have had very good assistants to explain how their system works. At first, let's check this quick menu. In this menu has 12 buttons. They all represent some specific product like coffee, tea, bun, hamburger and cheese, hamburger, tuba juice, and many more. Then we have this number button menu. In addition to numbers, we have a couple extra buttons, but for them a little bit later. And table view to display listed products, name, description, and price. In bottom, we have an information text field to display total text or how much got a return, and sum of all products. Then we have this toolbar with 5 buttons. All the buttons have their own actions. Sale to create new session without you can start adding product to list. Pay to end session and to see if customer get returned or if given money was given. Storage to add products in the storage. Void receives and product list to see all the products. Menu bar with 3 different buttons. Menu. Under menu we have information of the user, settings or quick program, login or logout, help, get help, or if you have any issue. Under help we have any guide you need to use successful this program. Here in the corner you can choose payment method, cash or credit. Product menu. Product menu has drop-down buttons to pick any product, but for some reason buttons are not visible for this broadcaster, so I can't fully demonstrate. At first, let's add something to sell for the storage. Without admin access, you're missing 2 extra buttons. So let's unlock them. Login, name, and password. Let's go back to the storage. As you see, now we have 2 extra buttons. Set and remove the product, any selected product from the list. Add more to the existing amount or decrease from the existing amount. Let's try this out. Let's remove or decrease from the existing. Now it's 40. We can set the amount or add for the existing amount. Also decrease and close the window. Now I have added the storage for the all products, 10 pieces for each. Let's see how this actually works. Let's start new session. I did it already, so when I'm pressing this again, the program announces me that there is a session created if I want to create a new session. So let's confirm. Yes. Let's add a product. This is a coffee. This is a product name. There is a description. It's a drink and price. In bottom we have total and price. If I add another coffee, the sum is doubled, or any product. Let's imagine that the customer is paying with a credit card. We don't need to add any numbers. Let's pay, and it's even. Let's make another session. Let's add one coffee, and the customer is paying with cash. The cash is selected already. And we return 50 cents. Hit the table with, and then there is very important function. We press this and we see this delete button. If we press this, the product will be deleted from the list. So let's press it. Now there is no sum or product. Let's add the product back. And let's pay even. Let's represent we did a missile. We want to void the receipt. So let's go to the void menu. Here we see 4 receipts. Let's pick one. But then there is too many products. We are not able to see all of them. For some reason, this broadcaster is not able to see what I'm seeing, and I see show or display receipt. Let's press a button. Now we are able to see the date we did the sale, time we did the sale, and all the products. How many, what product name, description, and how many times or pieces. As you see, here is 8. The sum and receipt number. Now it's selected. Let's void. When I press this void button, all the sold products will be returned for the storage. Confirmation window, and it is asking me if I really want to remove this receipt from the system. Choose no to cancel this confirmation, but I still want yes. Now all the products are returned back to the storage. Let's see how we are able to see the sale report. Let's go back to the void menu. Here we see the void menu and receipts. Here we got 3 receipts, dates, time, names, pieces, profit, and receipt number. I'm pressing menu, and what I see is display sale. The sale report displays the date we are printing out this sale report, the time, from date to date, profit, and how many sales we have done today. Let's see how we are able to reset the storage for the new season. In menu, we have here settings. For some reason, the broadcaster is not still showing the buttons, but I press settings, and now we see this settings menu. We are not able to press this because we don't have access. We need access. We need to log in. Let's log in. Let's go back to the settings. Now we are able to see that there is a backup database, backup logs, and reset storage. We are getting a confirmation message if we really want to reset the database. And I choose yes. Let's close. Let's go see the storage. And the storage is completely empty. Sometimes we face unexpected problems caused by unknown reason. Best way to understand what really happened is to see the latest action. It will help us to understand when or how a program died. Log files are really important part of any program. It will help anything developer needs. Any action in program will save some kind of virtual fingerprint in the logs. And let's see what it looks like. Here I have Windows Terminal. I launched the program. The program created connection to the database, loaded some stuff. If I start a new session, it will create a log. If I add products to the list, I paid products. If I open the storage, if I select some product, I increase the amount and I add to the storage. If I open the void menu, I select the receipt, even if I void the receipt. Even if I kill the program, there will be logs. Let's see actually the log file. Here I have the date, time, where it happened, and action. Any action is one line, log files. Thank you very much for watching this presentation video. I really hope you enjoyed for seeing this program.